So in this video, I'll be answering the question, can you play Just Dance on your Nintendo Switch 2? And the answer to this is yes, yes you can. And if you want to do so and go ahead and install the game, what you're going to do is just navigate to the Nintendo eShop and then confirm the user who wants to install this game. From here, once the Nintendo eShop has successfully loaded, the next step is to go to the search section and you want to type in the word Just Dance. And then search. You should see it appearing in the list of search results, and then you'll have different variations that are available for you to download. So what you're going to do is simply select the variation you want, whether it's the free option or you want to purchase the game. You're going to select it, select download or purchase depending on your choice, and just go through the process of downloading the game onto your console. Once you've done that, when you now navigate to the home screen, you should see your virtual card being successfully loaded on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. So just wait for that animation to appear. And confirm your choice. Wait for it to be loaded. And you should see the game starting to install on your Switch 2 console. And from there, you can now play Just Dance on your Switch. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.